reaching at 74,000 extra double sales. Fire Council moving forward. All set. Race number 5. 1,300 meters and the 1,300 meter race is underway. We have Golden Velvet, draws for your lead, right in second. June Taylor, Zapima moving upon the outside, Faithful Wife. Fire Council second last, and Double Sunrise is in behind them, heading towards the half mile. We have Golden Velvet being joined by Faithful Wife on the outside. June Taylor still in third, then Battle Zapima. Fire Council heading towards the 600. Two runners keep on piling out for the lead. Faithful Wife moving upon the outside. June Taylor now running on the outside to take second, and still improving. Then comes Zapima and Fire Council as they race for home. The course of the wind has been altered as June Taylor takes up the running. Faithful Wife in second, racing in third. Zapima. Fire Council with 100 meters to race. It's June Taylor, Faithful Wife, and finally it's all June Taylor with Bob's Caballero second. Faithful Wife, then comes Zapima. Fire Council, Double Sunrise, and
Alright, 2416, an official order of